Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about the webpack and how you can enable the TypeScript inside the webpack. So if you have a webpack project where you basically need the TypeScript inside because you want to work with TypeScript now, I really love TypeScript, and the basic of the TypeScript is pretty easy to know, but if you use special frameworks, something could be hard to understand. But out of the box, the TypeScript is really awesome. So I really recommend you to use that, and it's much easier if I need to help you and use TypeScript and then to figure out what you want, because JavaScript could be something pretty interesting sometimes because you don't have the debugging as you have in so many other languages. And here's the TypeScript coming into the picture, and voila, then you have a perfect language to debug in, almost. But that's my speaking about the TypeScript and why I'm choosing the TypeScript. So let's go ahead. So let's make the npm project, and we starting here and say it's webpack tool, and we're going down, and yes, it's fine. Then we say npm install webpack CLI, and we say development, and then it should be installed correct. And why I'm installing the webpack CLI is because I'm using the webpack version 4 or newer. So if you don't use webpack 4, you don't need CLI. And then we have installed, you can see it here. The next we want to do now, it's installing the TypeScript and the TS loader. You can do it in the same way, npm install TypeScript and the TS loader, and it's development here. You can see it will be up here in just a minute, and should come here when we update the file. Yeah, here we go. And then we need a TypeScript configuration. Sorry, I'm missing the word. And then I can just say TypeScript configuration here. If you don't have this editor, the PyCharm, sorry, the WebStorm, then you can just copy this. It's fine. And then the last thing we want to do now, it's saying the JavaScript file, and we can call it app.js, and we just need to rename this here. That's fine. And then console log and say hello world, this is TypeScript test. And then we need a little bit, we need to go into the package here and say the script. You can just say dev and say webpack here, webpack, and that should be enough to do this. To say npm run dev, and should be compiled. It doesn't do that, so I'll see why this doesn't work. And I figure out it's because we need of course we need the webpack configuration file here, webpack.config.js, and that's just a simple one, model export, and should be this one. And inside here we need an entry, and the entry we want to do inside here should be the app, and we need the app.js here. That's how it's working, and this will work. And then I forgot, in the development mode we need a watch mode, so we can change it. Run the development again, and then you can see we have the watch mode, and we have a dist here. So let's create the HTML file so you can see what's happening, and just say that this one index and webpack JS test. And inside here we want the script, and the source folder should be dist app. I think not some min. Oops, no, it's just a normal app. That's fine. And then the type is equal to JavaScript here. And then if we run this in the browser, it should be giving the console log. So let's open the browser, the Chrome, and then I will copy the URL from other browser, and you can see it here. And inspect console, we have it here, hello world. So let's going back for the editor one more time, and we're going inside to the app here, and I want to say, let's say const test var string is equal to hello world. That's what we want to do here, and I can just say this one. And let's save it. You can see something here is going wrong. It could be because I have an error here, constant. Let's say this one. And it's again because we have forgot to add the loader inside the web configuration file. So that's what I want to do now. Just give me 1 second here. And then we say result, and inside the result here we need extensions. Should be GS, GSX, and JS. That's meaning we basically don't need to have this up anymore. Okay, something doesn't work as I want to work. So yeah, let's just keep it this way. And this, we need the model. Inside the model we need rules. The rules should be array, and then we need the test. And for now we say that GSX files is loading the model here, and then the loader should be the GS loader. Let's stop this again and run it up. I hope this is working well. That's, yes, it's doing. So now the loader is working well, and I will just trim it up here so it's look a little bit more pretty, and you can see it here. And if I'm going inside here, we'll have a lot of stuff here, and we have it up here. So that's perfect. Let's go in for the browser and reload it, and you can still see it here. So that's how you can create the TypeScript for the Webpack, and it's run very smooth, and I really hope you enjoy. You can find this code on GitHub, of course, and I hope you really want to subscribe me here on YouTube to support my channel, and you can follow me on GitHub so you can get new code notification when I release something new code in my private projects, or this crazy tutorials I'm sending here on YouTube. I really hope you're enjoying the time, and I really enjoy to teach you, and hope to see you next time. And I really hope you want to hit the like button, smash the comments if you have any questions, and of course share with your friends and add for your playlist. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time.